All right, welcome back once again on our Friday afternoon. Made it to the end of the work week. It was a very nice week. The clouds have moved in late this afternoon across much of the region. We'll see those clouds overnight into early tomorrow. Maybe a few breaks here and there. Temperatures have warmed up nicely. 61 in Grand Forks right now, 63 in Fargo. Lots of mid 50s, upper 50s. Even those areas that typically take a little time to warm up and are a little bit cooler in general, still getting those very mild temperatures. So all across the board, these numbers are well above normal. Satellite and radar, you can see those clouds starting to work their way into the region from west to east. And what we're going to find is those clouds helping to keep the temperatures up overnight, as well as I should say, those winds out of the southeast. Take a look at our peak wind gusts today. 26 miles per hour in Fargo, 22 miles per hour Fergus Falls. And the farther west you go, those wind gusts get a little higher. Carrington, or Cooperstown, I should say, 32 mile per hour wind. Carrington, 36 mile per hour wind. And again, those winds are going to increase. Take a look at our first alert forecast as we head into the evening and overnight hours. Again, those clouds spread across the area. Overnight, we can expect wind gusts at about 25 to 30 miles per hour. Then they really pick up tomorrow morning into tomorrow afternoon. Now, tomorrow will be a nice day and a warm day. We're going to see highs very similar to today. In some spots, maybe even a degree or two warmer. And we're going to get sunshine. But those winds are going to be gusting, again, 40 plus miles per hour throughout the day, both morning and during the afternoon. Fire weather watch tomorrow afternoon and evening for strong winds, low humidity, and that's areas here shaded in the brownish orange. Then you look off to the red area. That is a red flag warning in effect through 7 p.m. tonight. Again, same scenario, strong wind, low humidity, fire conditions. All the ingredients are there. We've got dry vegetation, just dry air in general. Very low humidity tomorrow, about 20 to 25%. Wind gust up over 40 plus miles per hour at times, and of course warm temperature, certainly for this time of year, warm temperature. So let's talk about fire forecast. Who's at most at risk? Southern Valley, and then in the James River Valley, we've got these areas shaded in the darker orange. We're getting up close to the high fire risk level in those spots. Even the orange and light orange and yellow areas still at a moderate clip for that. Safety, avoid outdoor burning. Definitely want to do that. Equipment that sparks, don't want to use that. Avoid parking in the grass. Check for dragging chains. Again, it is so easy, so susceptible for those fires to start. Now, afternoon highs tomorrow, as we talked about, going to be warm, quite a bit cooler on Sunday. We have an opportunity for some rain. Looks like any rain we see is going to be light, but we'll take anything we can get right now. It'd be great to see a good soaking rain. Just don't think that's going to happen Sunday or Monday, but I think fairly good coverage of precipitation here. So I think most areas will get at least light rain. Take a look at our moisture potential here. And again, I think maybe up to a quarter an inch. That would be, I think, best case scenario. However, again, we could use any moisture at this point in time. Once we get past Monday to Tuesday, it warms back up, 62, dry. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, also breezy. So we get back into those conditions that we don't necessarily want to see when it comes to fire danger. Yeah. So, but again, it's what we've got. Try to enjoy the warmth, right?
Try to enjoy it while we can. We have long enough winters here that once you get the warmer weather, some sunshine,
yeah, let's let it stay.
Soak it in.